welcome to our first product release of 2025. I'm Jackie Sherlock from Mercury, and I'm here to tell you all about what you can expect to see in version 32 being released at the moment. First though, I'd just like to give you a quick update about what's happening with new Mercury search. In version 31 of Mercury, we launched new search which is faster, easier to use and better than ever before. In the next version of Mercury, version 33, which will be out in March-April 2025, the old legacy version of search will no longer be available, so now's the perfect time to really dive into new search. We've got lots of resources available for you over on the knowledge base or on the community, so head over there if you want to find out all of the great new things in search, or of course you can reach out to your CSM who will be more than happy to help. Now, back to version 32. In this release, we've really focused in on a couple of key areas of the platform. Firstly, let's have a look at placements. We know that placements can be tricky to manage, and so we've made some enhancements to make it just that little bit easier for you. We've added the ability for you to follow and unfollow a placement, so you can keep track of ones that you are interested in. They will show in placements I follow and placements being followed. This feature does need to be activated before you can use it, so just head over to your customer support portal, raise a request and we'll sort that out for you. Now, when you click the new button or when a shortlist is accepted, the accounts contact will default as the invoice contact on associated placements. This will reduce the amount of data that you need to populate. We've added a new security role to give you better control over who is able to use the plus new button. And the finance account reference field will now copy the value to a cloned or extended placement unless excluded from clone extend configurations. In the release notes, there's more information on how to exclude fields, so head over to the knowledge base and check those out. Lastly, the finalise option is now a ribbon button instead of a toggle. The other area we've been focusing on is the shortlist form to make it easier to manage shortlists and arrange interviews for your candidates. Firstly, we've added the ability to email a hiring manager when submitting a candidate via the update method, which will make it easier for you to send a CV by email as part of your workflow. You can now search for an interviewer in alphabetical order, and phone numbers are now automatically brought in from the record. If there isn't a phone number, that's not a problem. You can simply type one in, making it easier for you to set up and manage interviews. And we've also given you the ability to show or hide the Progress Candidate button, so you can decide which version of progressing a candidate you want to use. And just a quick note to let you know that we've also done some work on improving the performance of the forms in Mercury to make them quicker. That's it for now. We hope that you enjoy these updates, and I look forward to telling you all about version 33 that's coming up in a few months' time. See you soon.